Good day to you. I'm yet enjoying this Ditka signature cigar named after Mike Ditka. And it was prepared, rolled by Camacho. And sitting here just thinking about the myth, the myths, the fables, the stories that we believe, but not really. We accept them as a belief in order to create a bridge by which we allow ourselves to be average. The stories that we read, the fables that we heard as children, the religious text that was told to us by our parents, by our teachers, by our apostles, by our reverends, by our priests, by our imams, stories of great people that were not great. No one was great before they were chosen. No one. They were chosen. They were anointed. They were called. They were set apart in a chosen atmosphere, and there was a anointing of oil and different things. And then came the expectation. And there was no surprise as to how well they did in their climb. There was, however, something that took place once they began to go up. And we began to see the flaws, that human factor that sticks its ugly head in and reminds us you're just flesh. And you might do something off the wall. But that was only in books. And we believe, and we say we believe, that this God, that this world, that this story is real. But we accept the idea that that was only for that time. And we embrace, adapt, adopt the idea of mediocrity for ourselves. Well, I could never do that. You know what? I'm just going to do what I can do. You know, I'm done. You know, I'm giving up right now. I'm done with this. But you're chosen. And don't get your feelings hurt. You weren't the only one chosen. Now, you weren't chosen as a group, as I spoke in one of my other videos. You were chosen as an individual for an individual goal, an individual expected. You tried something with very little faith and idea that it would work. It wasn't the wrong thing. And what you referred to as a failure was a step. You didn't fall at all. You didn't lose at all. What you did was gain information and knowledge for what to do next. And you tried and you failed, you tried and you failed, and you tried and you failed, you tried and you failed. Then it comes, whoa, wow. Those other four processes that you called failure, those were part of the process. So when you're looking at someone outside of you and you're turning on the magazine pages and turning the channels on the television and asking yourself, did he really create? Did he really invent? Can this be done? This is impossible. Laser eye surgery, the cell phone that has now replaced the computer. You can do everything on a cell phone that you can once only do on a computer. Those were the ideas of mere mortals, and they became heroes, icons, and gods. I said it because of the work and the commitment to something better than themselves. Now, on the subject of God, if you believe the story of the Bible, God created the heaven and earth. The earth was without form and void. But when God created man, he created a God. Not so much to be worshiped, but we do love to be worshiped. So cut it out. What will be that great thing that you do with your life that forces you to stop looking at somebody else did this and somebody else did that? That somebody is you. You have a gift. You're going to make something better. Sometimes it's just a matter of taking something that's already made and making it better. Steve Jobs. So what will you do? I'm giving you approximately 1 second to choose. And how will you make this world great? What legacy will you leave us? I want to know your name. And I want everyone to know your name. As time moves forward, what will you build? It's me again in my car with my cigar. Arnold, Mr. Dad Tate. Like, share, like this video, share this video. Talking about being great. Why can't it be you? Thank you so much. Like, share. And you know what? Tell your friends about it. They don't need Facebook. They don't need, all they need is the YouTube app. It's on every cellular phone. Tell them check the old man out. Thank you.